Welcome to today's Ganjinit's 5 QAD section of current affairs. Let us see today's 5 questions. First one, which is the first Gulf country to establish diplomatic relations with Israel? Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates. And the right option is the United Arab Emirates. In this process, UAE has become third country in Arab world to establish relations with Israel. This agreement between UAE and Israel is known as Abraham Agreement. The other two Arab world countries having diplomatic relations with Israel are Jordan and Egypt. Let's see the second question. Who is the chairman of Standing Committee of Parliament on Railways? Jairam Ramesh, Radha Mohan Singh, Girish Bapat, Rakesh Singh. The right option is Radha Mohan Singh. Now let us see about the standing committees. Standing committees are permanent and regular committees. These committees are constituted in pursuance of the provisions of Act of Parliament or rules of procedure and conduct of business in Lok Sabha. There are 24 department related standing committees, and these committees are having 31 members, 21 from Lok Sabha and 10 from Rajya Sabha, and they are nominated by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha or the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Recently, the Standing Committee of Parliament on Railways is in news because of Centre's move to allow private train operators on about 109 routes in India. This committee is discussing on the same. Third question is, which famous micronation of Australia is recently dissolved and surrendered to Australia? Principality of Heart River, Republic of Minerva, Global Country of World Peace, Principality of Saborga. Right option is Principality of Heart River. Let's check some facts. Prince Leonard Castle created this Heart River in Western Australia in the year 1970. So what is micronation? Micronation is a political entity that claims to be a sovereign state but is not legally considered independent. They are not having legal recognition by world governments or major international organizations. They are different from microstate. A microstate is also small, but they are having internationally recognized sovereignty. Some famous microstates are Vatican City, San Marino, Monaco, Andorra, etc. Let's move to the question number 4. International Left-Handers Day is on which date? June 14th, August 18th, August 13th, December 20th. And right option is August 13th. This International Left-Handers Day is celebrated to understand the uniqueness and differences of the left-handers. This day was first observed in 1976 by Dean R. Campbell, founder of the Left-Handers International Incorporated. One interesting fact is 10% of population in this world are left-handed. The last question of today's 5 Q&A section. Which famous brand in entertainment history is recently rebranded by Disney? Netflix, 20th Century Fox, Viacom, CBS. And the right option is 20th Century Fox. This 20th Century Fox was created in 1935 as a merger between 20th Century Pictures and Fox Films. The film studio 20th Century Fox Studio produced some of the most popular films like Star Wars, Home Alone, Die Hard. 20th Century Fox Television, started in 1949, has been home to some most famous TV shows like Batman series, The Simpsons. Walt Disney rebranded 20th Century Fox Studio as 20th Century Studios in January and 20th Century Fox Television as 20th Television. Thereby 20th Century Fox is no more. Keep watching our channel for more 5 Q&A section and like and subscribe our channel.